Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from team MRSM Kubang Pasu. My name is Afeef Hamizan bin Muhammad Huzaizi.
My name is Ashwinaa A.
My name is Haiqal bin Muhammad Dino Khairri.
My name is Ahmad Hakim Akmal bin Azharudin.
Generally, pots such as clay pots for gardening are space consuming, and to add to that, they are non-organic or biodegradable, and they are definitely not sustainable. Besides that, plant pots do not degrade or disintegrate over centuries, leading to an increase of waste on planet Earth and potentially contributing to HCF, which is hydrofluorocarbon in the atmosphere. Due to the problem stated, we came up with an idea of replacing this typical clay pot with a more eco-friendly substitute known as the PotaBio Pot, consisting of potato starch and soil as its primary materials. And I'm sure most of you have these materials at home, and for those who don't, you can get it cheap off the market. So, without further ado, here's how you make it.
Firstly, prepare the ingredients and materials needed, which are as below: potato, cylinder container, grater, filter, and soil. Make the potato starch using the procedures below. Clean and peel the potatoes. After that, grate the potatoes. You can do this by hand using the small holes in a box grater. Scoop the grated potatoes into a pot, then cover them with hot water. How much water you end up using will vary, but about 3 to 4 cups should be enough. Following that, strain the potatoes, reserving the water. Place a strainer onto another pot. Line it with a strainer separating the potato and liquid. Apply pressure using hand and squeeze out the liquid content as much as possible. Also, don't forget to allow the starch to settle for about 20 minutes. As time goes on, the water will turn clearish again. Next, pour out the excess water. The starch will be mostly stuck to the bottom of the pot, so you shouldn't have to worry about it as you pour the water out. Repeat this step until the starch is visible. After that, mix the soil and wet potato starch. Note: potato starch is added to make the pot solid. Then, put in the mixture in the container with a cup in order to mold the pot into the desired shape. Also, allow it to dry under the sun until set. Finally, take the mixture out and there you have it, a completed and fully functional PotaBio Pot. The PotaBio Pot is definitely worth using, as not only does it provide benefits to the environment, but it also greatly helps in lowering and saving the cost of manufacturing, which could give economic benefits to customers. Here are the unique values of the PotaBio Pot: practical, ecological, economical, sustainable, and biodegradable.
Now onto the estimated budget. A PotaBio Pot will set you back a measly $11.70 on average, while the typical clay pot you find in stores will set you back about 25 to 100 ringgit. So, that price is just unheard of when we compare it to a PotaBio Pot which has the same purposes, yet its cost is way less. It's blatantly obvious that the PotaBio Pot on a price scale is much more worth it compared to a typical clay pot. Now onto some data. A typical clay pot you'll find in stores consists of terracotta, clay, porcelain, and stoneware. These aren't all organic materials. But on the other hand, the PotaBio Pot, which consists of 15% starch and the rest of it is just soil, is 100% biodegradable, so Mother Nature will thank you if you use it. Now moving on to the market value. So the target market for the PotaBio Pot is none other than gardening enthusiasts. This is due to its sustainability of the gardening pot, which is the PotaBio Pot, and its competitive price, which stands at a whopping 11.70 as I said earlier. As we can see here, it's a win-win situation for all parties involved. You as the consumer will be happy, and we here at MRSM Kubang Pasu too will be happy due to your usage of the PotaBio Pot.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.